Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rally Fajri Pohan. I'm from Syariah Economy Law, major in UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. While my goal in making this video is to fulfill the final action with the theme of traditional cuisine. I will discuss some of the traditional cuisine my area. Central of Tapanuli, North Sumatra. Check it out. The first is gomak noodle. Knowledge means there are also processed mie gomak which are typical of Sibolga and Central Tapanuli. Interestingly, the process of making these noodles uses traditional furnace equipment to maintain the authenticity of these dishes. In addition, fried noodles are processed with traditional Batak spices, namely andaliman, which can make the sensation of numbness on the tongue, as well as using other spices such as onion, salish, galangal, lemongrass, and turmeric, which makes it more delicious. Grilled pacak fish is Sibolga special food and has been widely known by the wider community, especially in North Sumatra. This grilled fish dish is called pacak, which means fat, where the process is fed during the roasting process with lemongrass stems, and the seasoning is given during the tapping process, which make it different from grilled fish in general. The taste of this food is certainly different compared to grilled fish in general. It is because it is tapped with lemongrass, making it smell of lemongrass. Besides, the species that are found on the body of the fish are also very much so that it feels so strong and delicious for sure. Number 3, two rice. Then there is the two rice, which is a typical dish of Sibolga and Central Tapanuli made of sticky rice. This dish is actually a dessert dish with a sweet taste, where the mixture of sticky rice is liquid and a splash of sweet sauce, especially when mixed with durian fruit. Besides this one, this is also very typical to be served when there is a celebration or celebration event. Not to forget, this dish was also presented at the application event or wedding that carries the Tapanuli costume. Number 4, putu bambu cek. Putu bambu cek is one of the traditional snacks in North Sumatra. It's the famous putu bambu cek with the sound of toot when the seller sells it. This cake is made with rice flour, then filled with brown sugar with a very distinctive pandan aroma. The taste itself is very soft and legit when it enters the mouth, and the sweet brown sugar will melt in the mouth. In North Sumatra itself, most people sell it by carrying a cart along with other Medan typical cakes in the form of Medan Mayang cakes, and there are also clip-on to make it somewhat unique. Remembering to make it takes the form of bamboo mold placed in the steamer. Later, the bamboo will be filled with rice flour, coconut, and brown sugar, which will later cause fruit from the steam. Those are some traditional cuisine in North Sumatra, especially in central Tapanuli. There is actual more traditional cuisine, such as kue koci, pale, nasi lama, kue capik, kue talam, and others. Maybe that's all the information that I can share to all of you. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.